A flawed fastener or O-ring could ruin the effectiveness of your product, compromise your entire project, or cause a variety of serious issues that can lead to failure. Here, we will quickly go over 6 sources or causes of potentially catastrophic issues. 1. Mechanical integrity and accuracy. 2. Particulate contamination. 3. Hydrocarbon contamination. 4. Virtual leaks. 5. Outgassing. 6. Galling. 1. Mechanical integrity and accuracy. UC Components Incorporated is an ISO 9001 company and takes our incoming inspection extremely seriously. As our product value is majority value add, starting from poor raw material only leads to great expense and consternation downstream. As a result, the UC incoming inspection area and process are well-equipped, lit, and staffed with CFS, Certified Fastener Specialist, graduates. Thorough inspection records are kept and available for review, and all product is lot controlled for start-to-end traceability. How do you fix a mechanical integrity and accuracy problem? You don't, UC does. 2. Particulate contamination. Most semiconductor and other vacuum processing applications, as well as a variety of other clean critical applications, require parts that are free from surface particulate. The origins of surface particulate are numerous, including post-machining burrs and metal shavings, mold flashing or uneven splicing seams, dust and dirt from uncontrolled environments, packaging residue. How do you fix particulate contamination problems? Properly cleaned and baked O-rings and vented fasteners, such as the ReadyVac line from UC Components Incorporated, is your best option. The ReadyVac branding signifies an added level of particulate cleanliness assurance via in-process inspection, post-machining deburring and rinsing, followed by multi-stage ultrasonic cleaning in a controlled environment. 3. Hydrocarbon contamination. Hydrocarbon-based lubricants, such as oils and grease, can be a major source of contamination and are difficult to remove. They have very low vapor pressure and will spread throughout a tool quickly, requiring both lengthy and costly cleaning to fully remove, not to mention potential product, wafer or substrate defect, or outright failure. Hydrocarbon contamination could be from original part or subsequent manufacturing processes, or even a fingerprint. How do you fix hydrocarbon contamination? The best way to fix lubricant contamination is to prevent it from happening in the first place. Never introduce lubricants into systems where they should not be, such as using oil-based lubricants during assembly. Utilizing properly cleaned and baked O-rings and vacuum clean critical appropriate finished products, such as the ReadyVac line from UC Components Incorporated, is your best option. 4. Virtual leaks. A virtual leak is a trapped volume of gas at the base of blind tapped holes within a vacuum chamber that cannot be easily pumped away. These are internal leaks, preventing or delaying operational system pressure. Fasteners are typically the source of virtual leaks in sealed systems, as there may be voids between the parts being restrained, the threads and shoulder of the screws, or other incompletely filled holes. How do you solve a virtual leak issue? The best way to solve a virtual leak is to utilize vented fasteners. UC Components Incorporated manufactures a wide range of ReadyVac vented screws, washers, and hex nuts that provide a path for trapped air to be pumped away from the bottoms, sides, and shoulders of blind tapped holes. This allows for faster, more thorough pump down of vacuum systems and eliminates virtual leaks and any potential contaminants that can be found in these voids. 5. Outgassing, H2O and other. Outgassing, also called off-gassing, refers to the release of gas that has become trapped, frozen, dissolved, or absorbed in another material. Outgassing is a common problem when creating or maintaining a high vacuum or other clean, critical environment. Hydrocarbon contamination is a major source of outgassing. However, the most common form of outgassing is water on surfaces, in the atmosphere, and trapped within porous ceramics and metals. O-rings also have vast amounts of trapped water, often amounting to over 2% of their total weight. How can outgassing be solved? Utilizing the proper fastener-based material, cleaning surfaces properly, and/or heating individual components, a process called bake-out, can help eliminate outgassing and other issues in your system. UC Components' ReadyVac vacuum baking process involves placing the parts into a chamber and heating them under vacuum to drive out gases and other contaminants trapped in the parts. 6. Galling. Galling, often called cold welding or cold fusing, can occur when two fastener surfaces are placed under heavy pressure and locked together. Galling tends to be more common in alloys that self-generate an oxide surface film for corrosion protection, like stainless steel, aluminum, and titanium. In high vacuum and ultra-high vacuum systems, like materials can become cold fused together due to thermal expansion and the lack of moisture created by the vacuum. This phenomenon is not exclusive to vacuum and can happen in many process environments, particularly those in which lubrication is limited or not permitted. How do you prevent galling? The best way to avoid galling is to use a lubricant or anti-seize. However, in UHV or other clean applications, the use of anti-seize lubricants is not an option because of the possibility of contamination. In these instances, you will need to use a fastener finish that is designed to prevent galling, such as those offered by UC Components Incorporated ReadyVac lines. Utilize parts that are made from alloys that lower the possibility of galling, or another solution. As you can see, the proper material makeup, treatment, and handling of fasteners and O-rings for your vacuum and clean critical applications cannot be taken lightly. The value of proper O-rings and fasteners may seem trivial, but their overall performance and savings for you, both in cost and time, can be measured. By partnering with UC Components Incorporated, manufacturers like you not only solve the incumbent issues discussed here, but also boost safety, quality, speed to market, and profitability.